the day of inauguration of the mission, Catch Them Young, Zero Waste and Circular Economy in Campus.
Today, on the 3rd September 2025, your name, as responsible citizen, hereby pledge that I shall reduce the waste generation. I shall work for the waste management, waste recycling, conservation of water and materials under the mission Catch Them Young, Zero Waste and Circular Economy in Campus, established in my school with the help of ISWMAW and GHMC. I assure, standing in my school, Delhi Public School, Mahendra Hills in Hyderabad, Telangana, that I shall make 20 people aware on circular economy, waste recycling,